This is a versatile security lock. What is different? Yes. No need for phone, key, no need for Bluetooth, Wi-Fi. Just need fingerprint, safe and convenient. Cool! It can be installed everywhere to protect your safety and belongings. Use it on a bicycle, and a fingerprint can be opened quickly when you need it. Avoid the trouble of finding the key. AnyTag can protect your storage room, your toolbox, your container truck, and your residential gate. AnyTag is made of hard and durable zinc alloy material. A long standby time of up to 2 years with a single charge, is IP67 waterproof, not afraid of rain. Yes, AnyTag can support up to 10 sets of fingerprints. Fingerprints of family and friends can be recorded. They can unlock it by themselves. This is AnyTag, a reliable and convenient security guard.